As Audi moves into its electric era, it isn't planning on abandoning gas-powered models along the way. Case in point, the all-new 2025 A5, which is the successor to both the current A5 and A4. Audi's plan is to make all odd-numbered models ICE only, while even-numbered models will be all-electric e-tron models. Hence why the A4 in gas form is now the car you see here. Trigger warning, there is a station wagon in this footage, but we aren't getting it here in the States. That's right, though the A5 will come at launch in Europe in both sedan and Avant station wagon variants, the US will only see the sedan. Upset about that? Well, you probably should buy station wagons when companies like Audi offer them here. Luckily, the sedan we're getting is still pretty practical because it's basically a successor to the A5 Sportback, meaning it is really just a liftback. It doesn't have a traditional sedan trunk, it actually has a big hatchback back there with a large cargo area to work with. The A5 rides on Volkswagen Group's new premium platform combustion architecture, the ICE counterpart to PPE, which is the platform that underpins the new Q6 e-tron and the Porsche Macan Electric. The eventual all-electric A4 e-tron will probably also ride on this platform, but if you're not ready to go all-electric, the A3, the A5, and A7 will continue to be your rides. Specifically, the 2025 A5 is powered by a familiar 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic and quattro all-wheel drive, producing 268 horsepower. If you go for the S5, you'll be upgraded to a 3-liter turbocharged V6 that produces 362 horsepower. Adaptive dampers will be available for a customizable ride experience. Inside, the A5 is pretty screen-heavy, introducing the company's new digital stage infotainment platform. This consists of a new 10.9-inch passenger touchscreen option like what we first saw in the Q6 e-tron, a 14.5-inch OLED MMI touchscreen, an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit display in front of the driver, as well as a large configurable head-up display. Our market will come standard with a panoramic sunroof on the inside for both the A5 and the S5, and there will be an optional Bang & Olufsen stereo system with headrest speakers for a more personalized soundstage for the front passenger and driver. Pricing for the 2025 A5 and S5 sedans has not been released yet, but we should see these coming to America somewhere in the first half of 2025.